Regarding blue-green algae, very important question is here. We will see. What is question? Blue-green algae belong to which group? Options are eukaryotes, myxomycetes, schizomycetes, prokaryotes. You have 5 seconds to give correct answer. So first let's talk about the blue-green algae. What are blue-green algae? They are cyanobacteria. They are cyanobacteria. They are cyanobacteria. This is an example of blue-green algae nostoc. They have mucilaginous sheath. And they have one characteristic structure. This is called as heterocyst. And nostoc is one of those cyanobacteria which enhances the soil fertility by nitrogen fixation. Nostoc, Inabina. You must have come across with the examples of nostoc and Inabina, which are responsible for the enhancement of fertility to soil. They provide fertility to soil by nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation. Atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Atmospheric nitrogen fixation is done by nostoc and Inabina. For example, here we are seeing nostoc. This is heterocyst. These specialized cells are responsible for the nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation happens in these specialized cells. So sometimes you will be asked that in which cells nitrogen fixation happens. So there one option will be heterocyst. So heterocysts are specialized cells where nitrogen fixation happens. So blue-green algae or cyanobacteria are photosynthetic autotrophs. They are gram-negative oxygenic prokaryotes. Gram-negative oxygenic. Oxygenic means oxygenic. Oxygenic prokaryotes means oxygen producing prokaryotes. They are photosynthetic autotrophs means they are able to do photosynthesis. If they are able to do photosynthesis means they have chlorophyll. They have chlorophyll A, same like green plants. That's why they are able to do photosynthesis. And there is one example of BGA, blue-green algae, called as spirulina. 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 This is the most proteinaceous food or fodder for animal and cattle. So spirulina is the one of blue-green algae. So this was about blue-green algae. And question is what? Blue-green algae belong to which groups? So as I told, they are prokaryotes. So definitely they will belong to prokaryotes. Other option will be wrong. C, eukaryotes wrong, myxomycetes wrong, schizomycetes wrong, prokaryotes correct answer. So description, if you see, blue-green algae or BGA or cyanobacteria belong to prokaryotes because they have similar characters like bacteria. They lack true nucleus and also membrane-bound cell organelles are absent in cyanobacteria.